In large language model, it is not always very clear what the feedforward layer is doing. This layer, also called the multilayer perceptron, is usually shown in diagrams where the network starts off narrow, expands and continues for a while before contracting back. But why does it expand, and what exactly happens in this stage? My goal in this video is to give you an intuitive walkthrough of how this layer works and what it really does. In a trained model, every token has certain meaning which is determined by how often it is found in a given context. For example, the word bank has more financial connotation than its other meaning of a riverbank. Why? Because on the internet, it was used more in financial context. So when the sentence "the bank by the river" enters a model, each token fetches its own default meaning from the embedding matrix. For the word bank, there will be associations with check, water, customer, and boats. Notice here that the associations with check and customer are stronger, signaling its default meaning is financially inclined. In the attention layer, context is added from other words, and the presence of the word river will boost the water-related meaning, telling the model to prefer words like flood over words like loan in the next token prediction. This actually really helps, because technically we could have a sentence like "the bank by the river offers great loan." I mean, there is nothing stopping us from having a bank beside a river. But since the model has learned from internet data that whenever the word river and bank are located in the same sentence, we are usually talking about the water body, so it will boost the water related associations. Leaving the attention layer, tokens still carry a mix of relevant and irrelevant properties. This is where the feedforward network comes in. It expands the space to 4 times its original size in order to provide room for combination of these properties. Using learned knowledge, the model checks which combination makes sense. For example, if water is stronger than check or boat stronger than customer, then the meaning of the bank shifts towards water related or geography. Finally, a section in the feedforward layer called the Rectified Linear Unit filters out the noise, which are financial properties of the word bank, and the network shrinks back to its original size, disregarding combinations that don't fit the context. The output here ends the feedforward network and it is sent to the next block of the transformer.